Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to download and install IP advanced scanner. For it is the best tool for network engineers. So I will show you how to download. Just type IP advanced scanner in browser. Enter. You can see here advanced IP scanner. Download free network scanner. Just click this one and you can see here free download. Just click and it will start downloading. Just click here and open the folder. Fine. Right click on the advanced scanner, run as administrator. Next, just click. There is a languages, so I will select English. Click OK, and program will be installed. Install. There is one feature. Without installing this setup, you can directly run on the one time. So it's no requirement to install the setup completely. So we can just click install. It will install full setup. If you run, it will run one time only. Then after you can, if you want to install or run again, you will use the same setup to do the same things. So just I will install now. Click next, accept the agreement and install. If you want to read and read, you can see here the advanced IP scanner is installed. It is very smooth and fast. And run advanced IP scanner, finish. You can see here you can search by the IP address. For example, if you see your IP address, IP config, you can search the IP address. You can see here my IP address is this one. For example, if I type here, it will discover the complete network. So we will type like 10.93.176.1. So we need to scan entire. So just do like this dash and 10.93.176.254. This is the complete range for the IP address. Just click scan. So it will scan from first one IP to until 254. So it will scan all the devices connected to the same Wi-Fi or same local area network. It will show you all the IP address and MAC address of the device, everything. This advanced IP scanner has fast network scanning, IP address discovery, MAC address detection, host name detection, network device discovery, and also shared folder access you can get, and remote desktop RDP directly from here. There is many features available, like you can see here. And once you click here and you will find full control view, only telnet, file transfer, shutdown, chat, voice chat, message. There is many things available here. You can see RDP, remote desktop connection. You can allow remote desktop connection as well, and FTP server and HTTPS, HTTP, SSH, telnet, ping. All there are many things you can handle through advanced IP scanner. The best application for a network engineers to scan the IP address in local network, which IPs is connected to the local area network. So if you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.